Hello everyone, my name is Miss Shelley and I'm from the North Las Vegas Library District, and I'm here today to share with you a quick tutorial on how to create an I Spy letter bottle, just like this one. It's super simple to do and you only need a few things. So first, what you're going to need is an empty water bottle. You're going to need the ABCs. I'm going to use these little letter beads, but you could use fun foam. You also need some additional filler in your bottle. So I'm going to use these colorful pom-poms, but cotton balls, rice, or dried beans would be great filler. And lastly, you're going to need hot glue or super glue. We want to make sure that the lid is very tightly glued onto these bottles, first so that they don't spill everywhere, but secondly, we don't want any of our little ones to accidentally eat anything that's in these bottles. One optional thing you may want to add is just some extra materials. I've got some sequins and some buttons here in this bag. You could use fun foam, you could use stickers glued onto paper, you could use other types of beads or craft materials just to fill into the bottle to give your kids a few extra things to hunt for. The directions couldn't be simpler. Put everything inside that bottle. And if your child is old enough, they can certainly help you do that. You can find the ABCs and drop them in alphabetical order. You could sort the pom-poms by size or color and then drop them in. Just make sure you get everything inside that bottle. Do leave a little bit of space here at the top so that things can move, right? We don't want it packed too tightly. And then parents, it'll be your job to hot glue that lid on. Once the lid is glued and it's dry, then you're going to give it to your child and you're going to let them play with the bottle. Encourage them to shake and twist it around. You can tell them letters to find. You could do the ABCs in order. You could have them spell their names and find those letters. We've also included in the description a link to an ABC Hunt printable, so you could print that out and then give your child a pencil or a crayon or marker, and as they find the letters, mark them off. They could just put an X, they could circle them, they could even trace the letters to learn how to make those letters correctly. Anytime that you give a child a writing activity, you're helping them build finger dexterity, which is very important for learning to properly form the letters as they get older. We hope you've enjoyed this activity, and you can use this technique to create a variety of I Spy bottles. You could do numbers, you could do shapes, you could do colors. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to check out our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when new videos come out. Have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye.